Hello friends. Today, we're going to talk about heat stroke, a serious condition that occurs when the body's temperature rises excessively, which can be dangerous and even fatal. Heat stroke usually happens when we are exposed to high temperatures for a long time or engage in strenuous physical activity in hot weather. Symptoms of heat stroke include excessive sweating, red and dry skin, dizziness, nausea, headache, rapid heartbeat, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness. If you experience or observe these symptoms in someone else, immediate action is required. To treat heat stroke, the affected person should be moved to a cool place and lie down. Extra clothing should be removed to help the body cool down. Applying cool, damp cloths to the body, especially to areas like the neck, armpits, and groin, can be very helpful. It's also important to drink plenty of cool water to prevent dehydration. If the symptoms are severe or the person does not improve, immediate medical attention is necessary. To prevent heat stroke, avoid prolonged exposure to high temperatures and wear light-colored clothing if you need to be active in hot weather. Regularly drinking fluids and avoiding alcohol and caffeine, which can lead to dehydration, is also crucial. Wearing a hat and sunglasses and taking breaks in cool places can also help prevent heat stroke. Now, let's look at some herbal remedies that can be helpful in cases of heat stroke. For example, peppermint tea, which has a cooling effect, can help relieve symptoms. Drinking coconut water, a natural source of electrolytes, can help prevent dehydration. Aloe vera can also be used as a soothing agent for the skin in mild cases of heat stroke. So friends, heat stroke is a serious condition that requires immediate attention. With the right measures, you can prevent it and effectively treat its symptoms if it occurs. I hope this information has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or experiences to share, please let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care.